Welcome everybody. Just wanted to have a quick conversation with you with regards to how and why losses are hurting your trading, okay? And these are gonna be some of the things that I picked up from a study that I had discussed in one of the previous videos, which was the Daniel Rodriguez analysis, okay? So welcome back. We're gonna dive deep into the critical aspects of that affects all of us, which is losses, okay? We're going to draw on insights that come from the Rodriguez study, which was an analysis done by 25,000 traders, which basically out of the 25,000 traders, there was a total of 43 or 45 million trades that was actually analyzed. And what they discovered in that actual study was that 64% of those trades that were placed by those 25,000 traders were actually winning trades, which means 36% of those trades were losses, okay? But what they found was the majority of the time those traders had averaged around 40 pips per trade, but when it came on to their losers, they were holding on to 80 pips in losses. So if you think about that, in such a large number of trades, you actually can notice that the problem isn't profitability from a standpoint of are traders getting winning profits or winning trades. Answer is yes. The real problem lies in the fact that traders are holding on to losing trades way too long. So the thing that we need to learn to focus on is how to manage ourselves from a loss perspective, okay? So as we think about it, the fear of realizing losses is a major concern. And that's one of the reasons why traders hold on to those losses for so long, is a fear that this is actually going to be real, right? It's a natural hope that a losing trade will turn around and sometimes, oh man, this is going to be different, when in actuality, a lot of times it doesn't, and it leads to even more significant loss than initially, okay? So one of the other things that I want you to understand is the fact that there's something called loss aversion, and there's a psychology of loss aversion, which is basically, it's a bias that plays a crucial role where we're wired to feel losses more strongly than we are gains, okay? And even if it's of the same exact magnitude. So this is gonna lead to emotional decision making when it comes to trading. So that's one other reason. Another idea behind why we hold on to losses is, the I'll break even trap, right? And many traders fall into this I'll break even, holding on to losing positions because they hope it's going to return back to entry and then I can just get out right away. But that doesn't happen, and oftentimes it furthers the losses. So one of the best things to do as a trader is, if you see that this position is not going the direction that you expected, get out of the trade immediately. It's okay, just get out. You can get right back in. You're in control of your ability to exit and enter the market, okay? One of the other things that we hear over and over, and hopefully you'll continue to hear it over and over, is the importance of risk management. The key to overcoming some of these challenges is also effective risk management. By setting stop loss orders and adhering to them, you can limit the potential losses that protect your capital. And this has happened to me numerous amounts of times where I was being fast, I was being inconsiderate of my system, my skills, and did not put a proper stop loss in, and wound up taking losses that were way beyond what I really wanted to take because I didn't pre-prep my actual trade, okay? Now, something that's really, really important is to understand is you have to be able to accept the loss. So you want to have power in accepting that loss, right? It's crucial to shift your mindset and accept that losses are a part of trading, okay? Every single trader, even the most successful ones, they face losses. It's how you manage the loss is actually what's most important for you, all right? And you want to be able to learn from your losses, okay? Rather than seeing losses as a failure, oh man, I had a bad trade, you have to be able to look at these trades and value them as valuable lessons, right? You have to keep a trading journal or some sort of track record of your trades so you can analyze what you were thinking, how you got in the market, why you got in the market, and identify areas for improvement. Trading is 100% about constant improvement. So the trader you were last month is not the trader you are this month. The trader you were last year is not the trader you're going to be next year. You have to constantly be in change, okay? And one of the other things is seek guidance. Sometimes you can bounce ideas off of other traders. You can talk to mentors or people in a community where you're saying, hey, listen, this is a problem that I'm constantly dealing with here, and I would like some help with trying to figure out how to adjust that. And when you're in communication with someone who's been through what you've been through and understands the struggles that you're having, they can help you a lot of times, okay? So I want you to understand that losses, they're inevitable. It's just a part of trading, but by being able to manage the risks, accepting losses and learning from them, you can be someone who becomes more resilient and a more successful trader, okay? So if you found this information helpful, don't forget to please like, subscribe, share, and look forward to more valuable insights from our channel. And then also share any comments or thoughts you may have in the comment section. If you're someone who is open to learning how to trade the Forex market and you're looking for help, please reach out to us at thevagrantradercollective.com, or you can also reach us on Instagram at Vagrant Trader Collective or Vagrant Trading Collective, or at Vagrant Trader Insights. Either of those, you will find us. Links are in the bio. Thank you so much for listening, and take care.